Yo, what is up, guys? Such exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys could actually get started with investing as if you guys are a beginner. Alright, investing could be difficult, especially for beginners. If you guys don't know how you guys can actually get started and how you guys could get into it, if you guys don't have a lot of money down, if you guys don't have a lot of capital, and you guys just want to use it as a savings account, okay, which I suggest you guys do. If you guys are especially a beginner, just use it as a savings account instead of investing in it, doing day trading and stuff like that. So before we get started with the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be up to date, so you guys could get notified when I upload my next video. I'm still doing that 10K challenge where I'm posting every single day until I reach 10K subscribers. Alright, so if you guys want to help me out with that, it's just subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, so let's get into this. So what you guys want to do is actually go to M1 Finance. Alright, I'm gonna have the link down below if you guys want to check that out. But M1 Finance is, I feel like, is one of the best ways for beginners to actually get started, because you guys don't really need to get you guys don't really need to put in a lot of capital. Alright, with M1 Finance, you guys could invest with as little as $100. Right, doesn't matter what company you guys are getting. Like, let's say you guys want to invest in Apple or Amazon, and their thing is actually like $3,000 to actually get one share. Alright, so with M1 Finance, you guys could actually put just minimum of $100. But with M1 Finance, you guys could actually invest for 4 different companies or 5 different companies at the same time within that $100. Let's say you're investing in 4 companies, right? But you only have $100. Okay, each month you guys only have $100. So what you guys want to do is just put $100 in, and each company is gonna have within $25. So that's how you guys can actually get started with doing it. So $25 on each company when you have 4. 5 is 20. Alright, but you get what I'm saying. So every single month you only have $100 to spare. Use it as a savings account. Alright, so just keep putting $100 and it's gonna be raising up your money. So as you can see right here, they have like all these research where you guys can actually get into, like, how the market cap, the dividends, what they pay you. Alright, if you guys don't know what dividends is, it's basically how much money they give you per share. Alright, so as you can see here, Microsoft pays you 0.75% of how much the shares cost. Alright, some of them don't pay you nothing, like Facebook, Tesla, Berkshire. But some of them pay you good, as Chase. I feel like Chase is one of the good ones. They pay you on Johnson Johnson, Home Depot, and so forth and so forth. So right here you could see what you guys want to invest in. Okay, like as you can see this, you guys could even invest in funds, index funds, and stuff like that. ETFs, whatever, whatever ETFs you guys want, and you guys could actually let an expert pick out the price for you. Okay, whatever you guys want to do, like general investing, planning for retirement, responsible investing. If you guys don't know what stocks to pick, just go right here and you guys can actually get into. I do have ETF funds that I invest in myself. If you guys want to invest in that, I'll have the link down below. But yeah, when you guys just easily you guys could easily invest and use this as a savings account, because inflation right now, especially right now, is going off the roof. The gas prices are up. Everything is going up every single day. So what you guys want to do is actually prepare yourself for inflation, and the best way to do it is make your money grow. Alright, so that's, even if you guys have a 9 to 5 or whatever, you guys could just do this and just keep this on the side. That's an extra sources of income when it grows, when it you know, and stuff like that. And when the market goes down, that's when you purchase more. But I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna get into all that stuff. But yeah, this is what you guys could do. Income earners. If you guys don't know anything like that, but yeah, that's what you guys can actually do, and you guys could start as of today. If you guys have $100 laying around, cause $100 is cause it's the minimum that M1 Finance does, but $100 is not, I don't feel like it's that much. Or you guys could even, every single paycheck that you guys get when you're working a 9 to 5, just invest it on, if you have $100 to spare, just invest it instead of saving it, okay? Because like I said, if you guys haven't read Rich Dad Poor Dad, it'll actually show you guys why you guys should not save, that you guys should invest it. So if you guys want to check out the book, go ahead. It's Rich Dad Poor Dad. All right. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be up to date when I post my next video. So if you guys do want to take advantage of the index fund that I invest in, the link is down below. If you guys want to know what I do for a living, which is affiliate marketing, if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically promoting other people's products. So that's basically it. That's just I do have a free course on it down below if you guys want to take advantage of that. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.